GreenSmart Wicking Bed. Have you got one? Well, I've just bought one today. To find out more about them, like and subscribe to my channel. Rob Pyne, champion of the underdog. Let's check out this wicking bed. Ash, can you bring that wicking bed over here? I purchased this from EnviroMart in Cairns in tropical far north Queensland. Okay, because we don't like going out in the summer, so maybe we'll have to go out a whole lot less with this. So, this is Ash, and this is the GreenSmart wicking bed. So, Ash, what I'd like you to do is lift that out and show people what comes with it. Hold that up in the air. Okay. And Ash, we've got some stuff underneath here. So, one of the things I like, the best thing I like about this wicking bed is, there you go, that's your gauge, is water saving. It's absolutely excellent. So you've got an area here, a reservoir in the bottom where the water will sit. So Ash, if you grab this bed, hold it up. So if you put it back the way you got it, all the water will sit underneath here. And on top of there, I tend to put some Coir. Hey Ash, show the guys my Coir. It's coconut byproducts. Soaks up heaps of water. But we want this to act as a bit of a conduit for the water to suck upwards to the roots of our little plants. So that's what we've got. We don't care what brand you use, but we've found this one pretty good. So the water's there, you put some of this on top, and then you put your compost or your soil that you're wanting to grow in, your growing medium if you like. So that first part is pretty easy, where you put that back. Can you show us the gauge part there, Ash? If you grab that part first. So you can see, if you turn that around, you can see without putting your finger in the dirt that it's got enough water, or it's half full, and this sits on the side, so you know how much water you've got to get when you go out in the morning, and you're not actually pouring valuable water past where it can be of any use to you. And it's actually better for the environment if we can save water and build fewer dams. So this goes in the side. Which side, Ash? Can you see the hole on this side maybe? We'll spin it around. You want to show the people the hole there?
Stay down the bottom.
Okay. So once that's in, well, before you put that in, there's washers. It is important to know there'll be 3 washers with it, 2 that look the same and 1 that looks different. So there's 3 washers. The 2 that look the same, 1 goes on this side, 1 goes first inside, and then there's 1 with straighter edges, and that's the final one that you screw on. So you can see them affixed, so it's pretty straightforward. The 2 similar ones, first on either side, and on the inside that square one, but you can see how it assembles. So now, I guess we can go outside. So it's now a few days later, probably about 10 days. This is the assembled GreenSmart wicking bed. We've transplanted some sweet potato into there. On the end is the gauge, which is quite instructive. You can see if you've had rain overnight, you don't need to add water. We're sitting at 100%, and I'm pretty happy with that, because don't forget, we've got that layer of Coir, some potting mix and mulch, and then we've top dressed it with a bit of Coir just as a bit of mulch on top. And that means the plant can suck up the water, doesn't need to get it from the top. We like the system that much. We've got another wicking bed here with some spinach. But again, that gauge is the key part. And if you get too much water, there's tiny holes in the side that will let it drain. So look, I'm very happy with this system. I think water's becoming more expensive, and in an age of climate change, we all have to take a bit of responsibility. So I'm really happy with this water saving, vegetable growing system we're getting here. Thank you, GreenSmart, and thank you, EnviroMart.